Hello guys, today I'm super excited because this is the best day I ever have because I asked for this product that I have here and I received it today and I'm like 20 minutes to go to the airport. So because I'm traveling obviously. So well, I'm going to be trying this product that I asked and that I received today in the best day with you. Okay, so well, this is a fold-up travel stand. Like you can see it's like this. So I'm going to be opening it with you and let's see how works the product. Okay, it looks like this, the product. Okay, it's like this. I think here you can put your phone. Well, when I'm in the airplane, I'm going to be using it and then I'm going to show you. Okay, because like this it looks the product, but I want to use it in the airplane. So let's go. Okay guys, so it is very easy to put the product. You just need to like pull this part and then put your phone inside. And finally, this is how it looks. I think it's perfect. And right now, the airplane it's said I'm moving a lot. So like you can see, I leave it there and it doesn't move. So I think it is perfect. And this part you can move it to this way and also from this way. Okay, and really I like it a lot.